Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I lock my phone and try to unlock, and I am going to show my password that is called here Pingy6. Pingy6 is my alphanumeric password. Now I would like to remove this password completely and I would like to use no password. So what should I do? Just follow my video so that you can also learn it and apply it for your case. Okay, first of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen here, and here select screen lock type, and once again it will ask your current alphanumeric password. So give it here Pingy6. Okay, click on continue. Now you go to choose swipe or none. Okay, I have chosen swipe and go to home screen and lock your screen and try to unlock. With a single swipe you can easily enter into your phone, but it's not secure. Okay, because any other person or your relative or your friends may able to access your phone if you set no password. Okay, so be careful. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.